Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about what's really happening behind the scenes in crypto right now. Because everyone been distracted by the noise, something subtle but powerful has been unfolding. Let's break it down, shall we? US spot Bitcoin EFTs just logged 7 straight days of inflow. That's nearly $1 billion quietly flowing back into the market. No hype, no headline, no screaming bull run, just steady accumulation. Now, if you've been watching the space this year, you know how brutal May and June were. Over 8 billion in outflow sentiment in the gutter. Analysts called the EFT trade dead. But here's but here we are midsummer and the tide turning, not dramatically, but consistently. And that's what matters. See, when retail investors get excited, you get spikes. And when institutions get confident, you get streaks. And this 7-day streak, that's the kind of quiet confidence that builds foundations. Let's break down the numbers. Wednesday alone saw 69 million in inflow. That's roughly 1,060 BTC purchased by EFT issuers, about 2.4 days of newly mined supply absorbed in one shot. Bitcoin prices held steady for 65,500, even nudging back towards 66. That's not volatility, that's stability. And stability is the first step toward recovery. Now, who's leading the change? No surprise, BlackRock IBIT, sorry. It's still the institutional favorite, pulling in the lion's share of new capital. When IBIT moves, the rest follow. So what's driving this? A few things. First, micro conditions are easing. Rate cuts are back on the table. Inflation's cooling. And risk assets are waking up. Second, institutions finished their de-risking earlier in the summer. They sold what they could. They needed to sell. Now they're quietly rebuilding exposure. And third, and this is the big one, sentiment is shifting. Not euphoric and not bullish, just constructive. This is what early recovery looks like. It's not fireworks or groundwork. Every major Bitcoin rally starts with a period of quiet accumulation when the smart money moves before the headline catches up. And that's exactly what we're seeing now. So, is this the start of a Bitcoin late year rise? It's too early to call it, but bull run. But it's definitely the first signs of life after months of bleeding. If this inflow streak continues, it could mark the beginning of a broader sentiment reversal heading into Q4. Bottom line, this isn't hype, it's behavior. And behavior tells the truth long before the price does. All right, folks, that's the breakdown. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Drop your thoughts below. Do you think this is the start of a Bitcoin comeback or just a temporary bounce? Let us know. Like, follow, and subscribe. We'll be back with more.